Yeah, in case die, you can change this one.
Yep. This is, I think, the one of them should be the microphone to
Yeah,
detect
because
the
it's
audio,
audio.
and this one,
These are for the strips to
yeah,
clip.
that's
That's right.
I think these are
These
for
things
the,
we bought previously. These are really helpful.
yeah, the angular connector or rectangular connections, right?
Yeah,
For
these are.
that, for the corners and those things you can use.
Yeah, and also they have given some screw in case you are using it outside. You can use the screw. That's also a really
Screw
great
and
one.
zip ties also.
Yeah, and also they given one.
Yep, these are useful,
Useful.
definitely useful.
Useful.
I think so that when you connect these wires, if these are hanging, you can just use the zip ties
Zip tie.
just to lock it or stick it somewhere.
Yeah, these things, right?
Adapter,
Yeah,
that's
adapter.
they use. So let's see, what is the specification of the adapter? Do you read? Oh, so it's a
Output
3
is,
ampere adapter,
yeah,
right? Is
3
the
ampere.
output?
Output 12 volt.
Yeah, so it's a 12 volt 3 ampere. So this is a very standard adapter.
Standard adapter.
So you can use that one.
Use this one strip on the headboard of the bed. So let's see how it works.
So we'll connect one on the top, right?
Yeah, on the
there.
headboard of the
Yep,
bed.
on the headboard, and let's see how it looks. So if you see this scissor mark here, that means that this scissor mark means that you can cut it here and use these connectors. So to join. If you want to join additional pieces, or if you want to cut it and join two on the corner like that. So that's why it's a pretty common in all the LED strips. So you can cut it and join it. Okay. So
First you have to connect this one.
this one, so this is the regular adapter. So one side of the adapter will go for the plug point, and everything else, it's pretty normal. So let's first connect it and see if it works. Okay.
So here I have connected the adapter.
Next this, and just to test it out if it's working or not, right? So the one side is here, so I will connect it like this. Okay, so there are two arrow marks, right? Let's see. You see the arrow marks? Now you have to align those arrow marks. If you see.
Oh wow! The light is.
So once you align those arrow marks, you see the lights are blinking, right? Now when, so I think it's responding to microphone.
Hi.
Hello, hello. See?
Yeah.
So if we talk, it just responds. See? Let me see. Hey, how are you? Hello. Now if I let me ask Alexa to play some music.
Here's a playlist you might like. Remote+Music on Amazon Music.
Oh, wow.
Come take a lick on the lolly,
You can see. With the music, it's like changing the color.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good.
in the home stretch.
Yeah.
So it is working. Now we'll put it around the
bed and we'll see. Alexa, stop.
You wanna hold it? No. Why?
You don't know.
Hold it,
Scared?
hold it.
Why did you scare?
Look. Why are you scared? Look. Come on.
So I'm just connecting here on my bed. You can see right here I have connected the LED light on my bed. Hello. It looks nice.
Yes.
Hello.
Nice.
Nice.
Hello.
And you can change the color if you're using remote control. Hello. Hello. So it's like changing the color as for your voice. So first you have to turn on the microphone like this way. You can turn on the switch here. If you then you can turn on the remote control. Now I can change red color, like this is red, this is green. If I change the green color, then it's green, and if I change the blue, it's blue. Wow. So it's like a different color as per which color you want. So I just used only one strip. You can see, guys, there are other two strips, but I don't understand where to put all these strips. Like this is like a really bright. And here
it's not showing the proper color actually. It's showing white.
Because it's white color. If I using red color, this is red color, and it's also on the back side. I'm putting the LED light on the back side of the headboard.
And I would recommend to put it on the back side. Otherwise, it will show this glow, but you will not get the hue actually.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think
looks really nice.
it looks really nice. In person, it looks the colors even more vibrant. But right now on the camera, it doesn't capture that one.
Yeah.
But
And this is the green. Yeah, in person, yes. Because
can you change the color?
Yes, it's green.
No. Yeah.
Yes, green, and I'm changing to blue. You can see it's only one strip, but you can see the lights is like really great with one strip. If you need more light, then you can use other two also.
But it is extremely bright actually.
Yeah, extremely bright, really great.
I think if I turn on the light, it might show properly the color. But right now, yeah, this looks like little white color, but it's green actually.
In the camera, probably it's like I don't know how to say. If you can put it like on the ceiling or so.
Can you change the colors again?
Yeah. Green, and this is blue, yellow, green, blue, orange, blue.
Okay. Whatever you want to control manually.
And slow music.
I think music is the one when you play the music.
Oh, music is the when you play the music, it will. Alexa, play the music.
Let's wait.
Here's a station you might like, Drake on Amazon Music.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh,
Oh. Yeah, Alexa, stop. You love me. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Alexa, stop. So you can change the color. You can see by music also. It's like changing.
as per the sound input.
Sound input. It's like changing the color.
Yeah, and now when we speak also, the microphone
Microphone
captures our voice.
and it's like
And
changing.
based on that, it just, shows the color.
But if you don't want to focus on the voice, then you can select it only the color. So
Yep.
it's not working. Play the music.
Here's a playlist you might like, Rediscover Drake on Amazon Music.
So right now you can see here there is a option to turn it on, turn it off. If I press it one time, it turn off, then turn on. You can also do that from the remote control.
From the remote control also I can do it.
Okay. It's not voice operated.
It's not voice operated, but no, not voice operated. But it has like a music. As per the music, the light will color change, but it's not completely voice operated.
Yeah, it's not voice operated. It's just dancing lights based on your music. So the lights fluctuates based on your audio input.
Yeah, but
that is captured through this microphone.
Yeah, we don't need voice operation because it has already remote control. And also, if you change the plug to the smart plug, then you can use it as with Alexa also.
Yeah. I mean, like the other light that you can see here, we have Alexa, turn on the lights. See, that one is turned on.
Yeah.
So similarly, you can, if you connect this light to that plug, you can using voice turn on and turn off. Alexa, turn off the lights.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.